Chapter number 4, reproduction in animals. So what do you mean by reproduction and how reproduction occur in humans and how reproduction in human beings? And this lecture we will study about the topic reproduction. So first word is unscramble the following word. First is CARINOVRSE, and the unscrambled word is carnivorous. Unscrambled word is carnivorous. Next is HERIBVOSRE. Unscrambled word is herbivorous. And next is ONIRESVOM, and this is omnivorous. And next is squangers. First is carnivorous, then herbivorous, then omnivorous, and then squangers. And what do you mean by carnivorous animals? Flesh-eating animals are called carnivorous animal. And what do you mean by herbivorous animal? The animal which eats only grass. And what do you mean by omnivorous animal? The animals which eat both plants as well as animals. And next is scavengers, the animal which eat the dead and decaying matter of other organisms are called scavengers. So next is, as we know about the elephant, elephant is the largest land animal. So elephant is the largest land animal and its newborn baby weight is approximately 300 kilogram. एलिफेंट जो है हमारा लार्जेस्ट जो लैंड एनिमल है, जो लैंड में जितने भी एनिमल रहते हैं, जितने भी टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल्स हैं, एलिफेंट इज द लार्जेस्ट लैंड एनिमल and its newborn baby weight is approximately 300 किलोग्राम. जो उसका नया बिल्कुल जब बेबी होता है तो न्यूबॉर्न बेबी का वेट ही 300 किलोग्राम होता है. नेक्स्ट इज all living things produce young ones of their own kind, and the process by which a living being reproduce young ones of same kind is called reproduction. As we know, human being is also produced by the reproduction. So what do you mean by reproduction? The process by which a living thing produce young ones of same kind. So the process by which a living being produce young ones of same kind is called reproduction. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हॉर्स है तो वो हॉर्स ही रिप्रोड्यूस करेगा, एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग है तो ह्यूमन बीइंग ही रिप्रोड्यूस करेगा. तो जो लिविंग बीइंग है वो अपना यंग वन, जो अपना जो बेबी प्रोड्यूस करेगा ऑफ सेम काइंड, ऑफ ओन काइंड, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड रिप्रोडक्शन. So the process by which a living being reproduce young one of same kind is called reproduction. And there are the two methods of reproduction. First is giving birth to the young one, and next is by laying eggs. First method is giving birth to the young ones, means giving birth to the baby, and second is laying eggs. So how animal reproduce? It reproduce by two methods. First is by giving birth to the young ones, and next is by laying eggs. So first topic is animal that give birth to the young one. So some animal just like dog, cat, they give birth to the young one. जैसे हमारी बिल्ली होती है, वो जो अपना बेबी रिप्रोड्यूस करती है, वो उसको जन्म देती है, give birth, that give birth to the young one. For example, kitten. Kitten is a baby of cat, and puppies are the puppies is all is a puppies is a dog and it is a young one of dog. Puppies is a young one of dog and kitten is a young one of cat. So you have to remember that name. जो डॉग का जो बेबी है पपीज होता है एंड कैट का बेबी होता है किटन. And so some animals that give birth to the young one. So this is called, the process is called reproduction. And next is some animals just like cow, horses, elephant, and goats also give birth to the young ones of their own kind. So some animals just like cow, just like lion, just like horse, and just like elephant, and just like goat, they give birth directly to the young one. And this type of reproduction is called a reproduction by giving birth to the animals. And what are the animals? Cow, lion, horses, elephant, and goat. ये जो एनिमल है डायरेक्टली बर्थ देते हैं, वो डायरेक्टली बर्थ देते हैं यंग वंस को. तो these type of animals are called mammals. Such animal which give birth to the young ones directly are called mammals. For example, human beings, they give birth to the young ones. वो एग से तो हम प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते, हम रिप्रोड्यूस हुए हैं, इट इज नॉट प्रोड्यूस बाय द एग. वो डायरेक्टली बर्थ दिया, बेबी पैदा होता है. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स आर कोल्ड मैमल्स. द एनिमल्स व्हिच गिव बर्थ टू द यंग वंस डायरेक्टली आर कोल्ड मैमल्स. एंड व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ मैमल? ह्यूमन बीइंग. So human being is an example of mammal. And what are the characteristics of mammal? First is mammals are warm-blooded animal. So there are two types of animal, warm-blooded animal and cold-blooded animal. But mammals are warm-blooded animals. Means their body temperature remains constant irrespective of variable climate condition. चाहे वो गर्मी हो चाहे सर्दी हो, but their temperature remain constant. So mammals are warm-blooded animals. So you have to remember mammals are warm-blooded animal. Why it is warm-blooded animal? Because their body remains constant irrespective of variable climate condition. And what are another characteristics of mammal? They have hair or fur on their bodies. So all the mammals, they have hair or fur on their bodies. So all the mammals have fur on their bodies, which helps them to keep warm. Next is mammals look after their young ones for a long period of time. They feed them with their milk and protect them from enemies and climate changes. So first characteristics is mammals are warm-blooded animal. And next is on their bodies, they have hairs. They have hairs or fur on their bodies. Because of their hairs and fur, their bodies is warm. And next is mammals look after their young ones for a long period of time. जो मैमल्स होते हैं अपनी बेबी की काफी टाइम तक केयर करते हैं. जैसे छोटा बेबी होता है तो उसकी मदर काफी टाइम तक उसकी केयर करती है, उसको मिल्क देती है और उनको जो एनिमी से बचाती है और गर्मी सर्दी से बचाती है. So mammals they look after their young ones for a long period of time. So they feed them with their milk and protect them from enemies and climate change. So first fill up is dash look after their young ones properly. So mammals, in the first fill up, mammal look after their young ones properly. And next is the process by which the living thing produce more of their own kind is called dash. The process by which living thing produce is called reproduction. And the second fill up, reproduction. And next is mammals are warm-blooded animal. Mammals are warm-blooded animal. And next is animal that lay eggs. So this is the second method of reproduction. And the first method, they give birth to the young ones. And the second method, animals that lay eggs. So some animals, they cannot reproduce by giving birth to the young ones. They lay eggs. जैसे birds हैं, fishes हैं, reptiles हैं, insects हैं, वो young one को जो है birth नहीं देते, वो egg produce करते हैं. So these animals are called egg laying animals. So these type of animals are called egg laying animals. They reproduce by laying eggs. So the embryo or young one before birth dwells inside the egg, and most egg-laying animals ensure that the eggs are kept safe and warm, and this allows the embryo to fully develop and then till it hatches out of the egg. So eggs are kept in the warm place as shown in the figure. Eggs are kept in the warm place. So this is a picture where eggs are kept in the warm place and in the safe place. So the animal sits on the eggs, then the eggs hatches out, and then the young ones come out from these, from a young one come out from the eggs. So in this way, animal produce. So which type of animal lay egg? Just like birds, just like fish, just like reptiles, and just like insects. So they reproduce by laying eggs. So they reproduce by laying eggs. So in this method, they reproduce by laying eggs. So this is the method you have to remember. So I will show some pictures regarding this topic. So I will show. First is, do all animals do all animals resemble their parents? Yes. Animal and is resemble with their parents. Animal is similar to their parents. Next is, are they of same size as their parent? No. Our size is very different from our parents. Next is, animal reproduce by two methods. First is either by giving birth to the young ones, and next is by laying eggs. So reproduction occur by two methods. First is giving birth to the young ones, and next is by laying eggs. So next is, in the next, animal reproduce by two methods. So in this way, the animal reproduce. So first is egg laying animals. So mostly many animals reproduce by laying eggs. जो मोस्टली जो एनिमल है वो अपना रिप्रोडक्शन कैसे करते हैं? बाय लेइंग एग्स, एंड द एग्स आर केप्ट इन वार्म प्लेस as shown in the figure. This is the figure, and you have to see that the eggs are kept in the warm place. So eggs are kept in the warm place, and as shown in the figure, and the animals sit on their eggs, and then the eggs hatches out and the young one is produced. So the young one is produced by this method. So the young one is produced in the egg. So this type of animals are called egg laying animals. So what are egg laying animals? So mostly many animals, they reproduce by laying eggs, and eggs are kept in a warm place or safe place. जो एनिमल्स हैं वो एग से लेइंग एग से प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, और एग को हम वार्म प्लेस पे, बिल्कुल गर्म प्लेस पे रखते हैं और सेफ प्लेस पे रखते हैं. और जब एनिमल इसके एग्स के ऊपर बैठता है तो क्या होता है कि इसके बाद हमारा जो, जैसे इसके ऊपर जो एनिमल है वो सिट करता है तो एग बिल्कुल गर्म हो जाते हैं और एग मैच्योर हो जाते हैं और वो एग फूट जाते हैं, बस्ट आउट हो जाते हैं. So then the young one hatches out. तो young one ऐसे निकल जाता है, जो न्यू बेबी निकल गया. The young one hatches out by laying eggs. So this is the method of reproduction. And next is, as we know, all birds reproduce by laying eggs. So mostly all birds, they reproduce by laying eggs. So all birds reproduce by laying eggs. So this is the young ones produced by reproduction. So they reproduce by laying eggs. So next method is animal gives birth to the young ones. Some animals do not lay eggs. How do they produce? They give birth to the young ones. कुछ एनिमल है वो एग ले नहीं करते, वो कैसे कैसे वो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, वो जो है यंग वन को बर्थ देते हैं, as shown in the figure. So just like goat, just like sheep, just like lion, so they reproduce by giving birth to the young one. So they reproduce by giving birth to the young ones. And this example, animals that give birth to the young one are shown in the figure. So they feed on their mother milk. So this is an example of mammal. So what are the method of reproduction? First is by laying eggs, and next is by giving birth to the young ones. So these are the animals, they that give birth to the young one, just like frog, just like human being, just like crocodile, just like rat, and just like fish. So they reproduce by giving birth to the young ones. So next is, and these type of animals, the young one feeds on mother milk. So these mammals, they feed on mother milk. ये अपनी mother का milk लेते हैं. जो mammals हैं वो अपनी mothers का milk लेते हैं. And just like the human being, firstly the baby grown, then small child grown, then the baby of 13 to 18 years grow, then old person, then adult becomes, then old person becomes. So this is the life of human beings. So in this way, human beings grow and they reproduce by giving birth to the young ones. And for example, just like elephant, they reproduce by producing young ones. And next is this is also reproduced by this is also reproduced by producing young ones, by giving birth to the young ones, and it is also reproduced by giving birth to the young one. And this is also reproduced by giving birth to the young ones. And this zebra is also reproduced by the producing young one. And monkeys also. And so these animals, they reproduce by producing young ones. And next is, what about the dolphin and whales? Dolphin and whales, they are mammals. And where they are found? They are found in the water. So they are found in the water, and they don't have hair on the bodies. So how dolphin moves and how, so whales and dolphins, they are mammals, and how they reproduce? They reproduce by giving birth to the young one. And how they breathe? They have blowholes. They have blowholes. So dolphin, they have blowholes as shown in the figure. So they have blowholes. Because of their blowholes, they can breathe. So this is the blowholes. Because of blowholes, they can breathe in the water. So these are the animals that give birth to the young one. So these are the animals that gives birth to the young ones. And what about mammals? Mammals are cold, warm-blooded animals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals. So there are two methods of reproduction. First is by laying eggs, and next is by, first method is by laying eggs, and for second method is the producing young ones by giving birth to the young one. But mostly birds, they reproduce by laying eggs. But mostly birds, they reproduce by laying eggs. So what do you mean by reproduction? The process by which young one is produced is called reproduction. And there are two ways of reproduction. First method is by laying eggs, and next method is by giving birth to the young one. And first is by producing the giving birth to the young ones. And first method is by laying eggs. Mostly birds they reproduce by laying eggs. And in this way the young one hatches out from the egg, so they produce by giving birth to the young ones. So in this method they reproduce themselves. Just these birds, they reproduce by laying eggs. So these are the birds, they reproduce by laying eggs. And these are the animals, they give birth to the young ones. So these are animals that give birth to the young ones. And human beings, so they reproduce by giving birth to the young ones. So animals that give birth to the young ones, so they reproduce by giving birth to the directly, and they feed on their mother milk. And mammals are example of such animals. So they feed on their mother milk, and mammals are examples of such animals. So these are the mammals, and this is the life cycle of human being. Firstly, fetus is grown, जो pregnant women में पहले fetus grow होता है, then baby develop, then the 1 to 3 child is grown, and then the life goes on, then the adult become, and then the old person become. This is the human being, and they reproduce by giving birth to the young ones. And next is just like human being, dog, cat, lion, elephant, deer, cow, buffalo. So these, they are reproduced by giving birth to the young ones. And these are the animals that giving birth to the young ones. So this is the giving birth to the young one, and this is also giving birth to the young ones. So that what do you mean by young one? Child of animal is called young one. जो इसमें दिखा हुआ है तो चिपैन जो भी एनिमल होता है साथ में इसका जो है यंग वन दिखा हुआ है मीन्स the young one is child. So these are zebra and their young one. So they reproduce by giving birth to the young one, monkey child, and this is also produced by the giving birth to the young ones. So how dolphin move, and whales and dolphin, they are also mammals, and they are found in water, and they do not have they do not have hairs on their bodies. So how do dolphin and whales breathe? They have blowholes. They have blowholes as shown in the figure. Because of blowholes, they can breathe in the water. So if you have any query regarding this topic, so you can ask. If you have any query regarding